Okay, so I finished putting in the sump basin. I just used a 30-gallon teat dip plastic barrel, cut the top off of it, dropped it in the hole that I had jackhammered in there, and mortared around the outside of it so nothing can leak past it. Now I'll drop the sump pump down into there and then just plumb it and the wiring so that it comes up this wall and to the top and then out through that hole, which is just temporary for the time being.
It's a crummy rainy day, so we are inside the dairy barn trying to get some stuff cleaned up. We're taking out a wall and we're expanding the processing side. So we're gonna have two sides, the raw milk side and the processing side. And the processing side is what we are gonna finish up, but we have to take out a wall and we're gonna expand it like, I think it's a 5 by 12 feet, I think, to make it bigger. We just can't get everything in here the way we thought we could. So today, because it is raining, we were supposed to work a sheep, but it is raining and we can't find them. No, that's not true. We did find them. They are down in the trees. So if it quits raining, we need to go and get them and bring them in so that we can run them through the barn. I messed up. So yesterday when we were in town, I was supposed to get some more 8-way because when we bring this group in, we're separating off the ewes that are due the 6th of January, and then we were gonna vaccinate everything that is due starting I think it's like the 27th of January. So basically our February group. They get dewormed and they get their 8-way vaccination. I do not have enough. I have enough for half of what we need to do. I was supposed to get some more yesterday. I totally forgot about it because in my head, all we were doing was bringing in those ones that are due right now. And then I also need to give my 30-day-old lambs their booster that should have been done last week. And I'm just running out of days. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of me. So that all needs to get done here within the next, basically today and tomorrow. So I probably will have to take off of work tomorrow to get all the rest of this stuff done. Hence I would really like to be just on the farm all the time, not having to work outside the home. 5-year plan, right? So anyway, that is still on the docket, whether it happens today or tomorrow. We checked the sheep, the ones we could actually find that weren't hidden under the trees. We didn't see any lambs. Again, doesn't really mean anything. They could be hiding under the trees. So we'll go back out once hopefully the rain stops. It looks like there's some clear sky coming. And we will get those brought in and then separated off. And then I'm not sure what to do with the February group. I guess we'll just go back to what we used to do and vaccinate everything as soon as the lambs are born. So then the lambs will get their initial shot as soon as they go out of the jugs, and then they'll get their 30-day booster. But since it is crummy out, we decided we better get some work done here in the dairy barn because I would really like to be milking by about middle of January and processing by 1st of April. I was saying 1st of March, but then I remembered that it's winter and we still need to pour concrete and put up a new area. So here's what we are planning on doing. So this wall, this piece here is gonna come out. This whole wall up to where they put this new board in, that whole wall is coming out. So what's your plan?
Well, start by hauling this sink out. So we probably should get
All his crap out of the road.
at least leaned up against the wall or something. Is don't want to stand them up because they warp. But if you're not coming back from them,
Yep, I ain't got time for you not to show up. Okay. Yeah, I figured even if we just sweep it into a pile, at least it's
out of the road.
out of where we're working,
Yeah.
or where we want to be.
Good.
Yeah. Mrs. Scott.
So they say men that are sweeping are sexy. How's that working out for you today?
Got nothing for you.
Damn it. What if it was a vacuum?
That might do it.
I can go get the vacuum.
A vacuum might do it.
Okay.
I need new pants.
Yep. Don't we all?
Okay, even with long johns underneath there.
Baggy. So we're just going
I
like,
think we're just going right there.
okay, now remember, you can't touch anything that this lid is.
Correct, that's why I got the bottom.
Okay, I'm gonna hang on to the spigot over here and see.
Okay.
Now you're stuck.
And I lost those 30 pounds. Okay.
I'm just gonna try to scoot it one more time.
Okay. That's it. We're touching it.
Okay,
Okay, so we're taking out this half of this wall.
we gotta cut this here,
Okay.
because our wall is gonna extend further that way.
Further that way by 5 foot.
Yes,
Okay.
and then I believe there is. Got a leak or a draft, that's what it is, it's a draft. It's a draft. So I gotta cut this out,
With
should be a stud right there. We're gonna need to be beyond the stud.
Okay, and don't cut that.
I think it's unconnected now.
Okay, that's all I care about because I don't want to be
Clean
tripping.
it.
Yes. It'll go away.
Before or after we die.
Toss up. Sun came out, but it is still super icky. But means the sheep might show up. Also means we may just have to go get them, but that's okay because they will come out of the creek now that it's warming up and the sun is out, and to dry off and probably come back in for a bit, soak up some sun. And it is bright out. But that's good. Makes my day longer, but it's okay. It's good. So the sun's still out and we are going to bring the sheep in and get them separated because I just looked at the weather and tomorrow is an 80% chance of rain. Today was a 80% chance of rain. So it's not looking good to do this tomorrow. So we're just going to do it today while the sun is still out. And then I won't have to worry about those ewes anymore. It will be done. It will not be an issue. And we'll deal with the February group when February gets here. I my own fault. Can't do anything about it. So anyway, that's where we're at. I'm not gonna lie, today's been kind of a cluster. We did get our 20 head of ewes in, but we had to come through the neighbor's hay, and that took like an hour to get them through. And then we ended up having one of them die because they got trampled. So I am a little pissy, a lot tired. I'm beyond done with this day. Oh, and I fell in water. Slid on the ice, trying to push the sheep. Slid on the ice. I am wet up to here. Both legs. Definitely was not how I wanted to end my day. But we did get our 20 head in. Nobody has lambed yet. And we got everybody out. This is so bad. We just took him out the road. Rather than trying to go through his hay again, we just took him up the lane and out back, and it took literally 10 minutes compared to the hour and 10 minutes it took us to bring him in. So now I'm sitting, hi baby. Now I'm sitting here looking at my lambs because they relax me. Babies. Oops. She apparently snuck through. She keeps like stretching. Hi, sister. How's my girl, huh? I know, huh? How's my girl? Yeah. Yeah, huh? And this poor girl, she's so fat and pregnant. She is one of my AI babies from, let's see, she would have been 2019 U.